Good day, sir. Today we will discuss and perform our experiments entitled measurements. But before we proceed our experiments, let us know first what is measurements all about. When we say measurement is a key foundation of chemistry, ensuring matter is described precisely and quantitatively. Liquids and solids are the most common states of matter studied in daily life. Furthermore, we have an examples of measurements. For liquid, we have measuring density of sugar water and measuring solubility of salt and water. And for solid, they are measuring density of a coin and measuring volume of a stone or water displacement method.
Good day, sir. We are here to demo about the measurement of liquid. We are here to measure the density of sugar water. So we gonna need this one graduated cylinder, water, disposable cup,
and
sugar, and weighing scale. So first, we will pour water 100 ml in the graduated cylinder. Next is atong timbangan ng water. Kaya ang butang sa timbangan. So, ang timbang sa water is 99.1 gram.
Next, itimbangan na to ang sugar. Butang tao 50 gram sugar. Sunod ato ang ibutang sa water. So, na total sa tubig o asukal nga tipo is 145.3 grams.
Karon day kay mag-calculate density kuan formula ni kanang density equal mass divided by volume. Ang mass ani kuan 145.3 divided by sa volume 130 ml. Ang result na ni kanang 1.1 grams per ml.
So,
That's all. Thank you.
good day, sir. We're doing a demo of measurement liquid. The title of our activity is measuring solubility of salt in water. The material needed is water, measuring cup, but we don't have a measuring cup, so we'll use cylinder, graduated cylinder, and salt. Step 1, prepare water. Pour 100 ml of water into the graduated cylinder. Then the step 2 is add salt gradually. Add 1 teaspoon of salt at times, stirring until it dissolves.
Sunod, kutawon yung asin o kuwan tubig na butang.
Count teaspoons. Watch for saturation.
Keep adding until no more salt dissolve and grains remain at the bottom.
Okay.
Count teaspoons. Balik para tunaw.
Next step is count teaspoon. Teaspoon is too low. Next step is convert to grams. If you want precision, count 3 teaspoon. Next step is convert to gram. Three.
Good day, sir. Today we will demo the measurement of solid entitled of Measuring Density of a Coin. Our materials needed are the coin, weighing scale, and the graduated cylinder and water.
I will measure the coin. So the gram of the coin is 7.4 gram. Second, I will fill a water in the graduated cylinder. So the total of the water is 101 ml. Third, drop the coin into water. Since the coin was dropped, the water increased into 102 ml.
The last step is calculating the coin volume. The initial level of water is 102 ml minus 101 ml of the previous level of water equals 1 ml of water is our total.
Good day, sir. Today we will demo the measurement of solid entitled measuring volume of a stone or water displacement method. So first, our materials needed is the graduated cylinder, a stone, a weighing scale, and a water.
First step is fill the graduated cylinder with water. Next is note the initial water level, which is 125.
The third is carefully drop the stone into the water. Since I dropped the stone into the water, we note the new water level, which is 140.
The last step is we will calculate the stone's volume with water. To get the stone's volume, we will subtract the initial volume, which is 140 minus ml of water from the final volume, which is 125 ml of water. That's 125 ml of water. The total of volume, the stone volume is 15 ml of water.